Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your VW Golf air filter. First, ensure your engine is cool and gather your tools. You will need a Torx 25 screwdriver, a ratchet wrench, and your new air filter. The air filter housing is usually a prominent plastic box located in the engine bay, often connected to intake ducting. Now, let's access the filter. Begin by disconnecting any hoses, like the crankcase breather or vacuum hose, from the air filter housing. Next, use your Torx 25 screwdriver to loosen the 6 to 8 screws holding the cover in place. These are often captive. Gently lift the cover and remove the old, dirty filter element. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to clean any leaves or debris from inside the housing with a microfiber towel. Now, carefully place your new air filter into the housing, making sure its rubber seal sits perfectly to prevent air leaks. Realign the cover, tighten all 6 to 8 screws, and reconnect any hoses you previously detached. With the new filter installed, perform a final check to ensure all screws are tightened and hoses are securely connected. A clean air filter is crucial for optimal engine health. You can expect improved fuel economy, better engine performance, and extended engine longevity, potentially by tens of thousands of miles, with this simple, regular maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.